have trouble preparing a garment flat for pressing, some tools can help work around this issue. The heat press pillow and the changeable lower platen are mainly designed to help press common trouble spots like falls, seams, collars, and buttons that cause uneven pressing surface. For instance, if you are pressing the left chest of this polo shirt without changing to a smaller platen or using a heat press pillow, the heating elements are going to hit those buttons first, or anything that is raised to the highest point first before the transfer, which will damage the printing results. That's to say, to deliver the best printing results possible, it's important to have a nice level playing field, so that your transfer can apply to the entire surface area evenly. Okay, now let's jump into the heat press pillow and have a look at it. Inside the pillows is heat-resistant foam that can bounce when you put pressure on it. Also, it's covered by reusable Teflon, which is easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about the cleaning problems. For the heat press pillow, we have 5 sizes available to choose from. We have 4 by 4 inches, 8 by 10 inches, 60 by 20 inches, 11 by 50 inches, and 60 by 20 inches. And all these sizes are specifically designed for different use. For instance, 4 by 4 inches can be used in polo shirts, 8 by 10 inches is suitable for handbags, 6 by 20 inches is a perfect choice for jeans, 11 by 50 inches is proper use for t-shirts or shopping bags, and 60 by 20 inches can handle with hoodies. Besides the heat press pillow, you can also choose the changeable lower platen to handle different printing jobs. The changeable lower platen comes in 5 different sizes mainly: 4 by 4 inches, 8 by 10 inches, 6 by 20 inches, 11 by 50 inches, and 60 by 20 inches, just like the heat press pillow. Before printing, there are tips for you. When you place a heat press pillow underneath your garment, you are increasing the entire printing item thickness. In this case, it's inappropriate to still use the pressure you set before, and we recommend you make a second adjustment to the pressure according to the situation. Like the GS105HS we are playing with now, it came with a pressure scale display which can help us raise the pressure at every move. Now let's go ahead and start with the first item. The next item is a polo shirt. Then I'm going to print a hoodie sleeve. The last garment is shorts. Heat press pillow and the changeable lower platen both are great tools that can help yield more consistent professional results in all of your projects. If you don't have a heat press yet, then we advise you to consider heat press machine that comes with a changeable lower Platen system. If you already have your favorite heat press machine, then we advise you to just consider heat press pillows that can help you deliver the best print results. If you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I will see you next time.